Now, as you can see here, I will explain how to fix update issues in CapCut on your mobile device step by step. Now, let's begin by checking your internet connection, as updates may get stuck due to a weak network. Make sure it's stable. Due to network issues, reconnect and try using Wi-Fi. If that doesn't work, carefully switch to mobile data for better results. Now let's try using mobile data for a better connection, but if that still doesn't work, please try again. Reconnect to Wi-Fi, but first, restart your router to ensure a fresh connection and improve your internet stability for updates. Everything has been updated, but due to a weak network, the update process may simply pause or get interrupted unexpectedly. It may simply pause or encounter issues afterward if the connection remains unstable, so let's ensure everything is working smoothly. Try freeing up memory on your phone, as this can also help a lot. Fixing update issues is always important, as you can see here, to ensure smooth performance. You need to carefully clear your phone of unnecessary files, like old photos or apps, as this can help improve performance significantly. If you have any downloaded videos, try deleting them first and then proceed with the next steps. Restarting your phone clears temporary errors and downloads, as you can see here, helping improve overall performance. Of course, nothing will work unless you clear the cache in your CapCut app. So let's enter the app and do that now for better performance. Go to Settings and clear the cache, and after that you can try deleting any unnecessary files for better performance. To resolve issues, carefully reinstall CapCut to ensure all updates are applied correctly, preventing any potential problems. Everything is fixed now, and that's all. Thank you all for watching. Wishing you good luck, and goodbye for now.